This is your typical BSR changer found on many consoles and all-in-one units. I've got it in a base, but this will come without any base. It's just for replacement. It's a model C129. Does have the Q lift on it. It's a 3-speed changer, 3 different sizes. And I've gone through and completely dismantled the mechanism, cleaned all the old grease out, lightly re-lubricated now. And if you're going to swap out yours, very easy to do. You just need to get to the underside and you'll find these clips, 2 of them. And you just turn them up. The other one's over here. And then they will pass through the holes of the base. Of course, you'll need to disconnect your audio cables, and the power is a modular plug just like this one. Pretty universal. And after going through and cleaning it all out, it works just perfect. No hesitation in the changing cycle. And it's got a nice flip over needle that tracks really well. And it sounds real nice. And the end of play cycle works fine. All ready to go.